Hello, in today's video I will show you how to make a magic circle. It's also called an adjustable ring or magic ring. The magic ring is a great way to begin a crochet project that's worked in the round. It's a useful thing for normal crochet and for crocheting with beads. It makes the beginning so much more precise. You can adjust or even completely eliminate the hole that can form in the center of your work. I take my ending tail, this is my working tail, loop the working end around the back of my first 2 or 3 fingers. I will cross the thread and I grab both threads with my thumb. I'll turn around and you can see that we have 2 parallel threads on the other side. I'll take the hook, put it under the right thread. I grab the other thread and pull it. And I turn the hook at the same time. We are gonna have a loop here. I'll put the hook under the thread and I'll pull it through the loop. We are gonna get this big loop. Here these 2 threads will be on the left side. I'll put the hook in the loop, hold it here with my finger. And I continue with a single crochet. Pull through one loop and pull through both loops. And again the same to the loop. Pull through one loop and pull through both loops on the hook. This is how I always hold my work so it doesn't get twisted. I will crochet as many loops as I need. I will make maybe 7. That will be enough for a demonstration. I'll take this loose end and that's how I'm gonna pull that end. I try to spread the loops evenly. Or we can tighten the loop even more to close the hole completely. And to close the row, I'll put the hook in the first loop and I close it with slip stitch. And we have a beautiful magic circle.